What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a super cool game to show you. You can earn while you play it. We've got some super cool features, but before we get in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so we can hang out, have fun, hopefully make a little bit of money, but most of all build a community of like-minded people in this space. Let's roll the video. Here we are, guys, revoland.com// You will get the links down below. So a quick overview of the website. We've got the homepage, got how to earn, the Chain-X game, the docs, the audit, and the news. On the right, you can click straight into the marketplace and change the language you need, okay? So, going down, come to snap up your NFT mystery box pre-sale. The pre-sale is live. Revoland is an esport game based on the blockchain technology. Challenge yourself with various game modes. Play to earn has never been so easy. I told you this game, you can play to earn, and like they say, it's never been so easy. So you could join them right now, getting to do their socials, everything you could do, and you can also join the game beta by clicking that button. Now, what is it? So it's a blockchain-based multiplayer online battle arena. They say MOBA. If you've seen that around, that's what it means. The game's designed so to combine players' individual techniques and teamwork to challenge themselves in multiple game modes. Basically, there's going to be an array of levels that you can play, different game modes you could do, different scenarios as a team and battling each other. It's extremely perfectly built for communities like us on this channel. So, different from the current chain games on the market, this product truly integrates all the advantages of traditional mobile games. It's got a high degree of completion and entertainment, and it's creating the social gaming experience. That's the key. Games playing with communities is the key, not just games playing with people you've never met. How to play it? You can go through all this video here and have a look. How much do I need to invest? All your answers will be in there. Now, the assets, we have the heroes, the skins, and the pets. You just click them and go through them. So heroes here, you can see a little bit about all of them. We've got Sonic, Grant, Kino going all the way through. Some of them different levels, 1, level 5, the Spirit. You can see a good glimpse of what this is. Again, pre-sale is live, and you can join the beta and have a real look. How do you earn? Okay, so you get a hero. Now, which way do you want to go? You can get in-game rewards, or you can have the passive income, which is the hero NFT you've purchased. It's a neutral application. And then the land drop, which will always come with projects nowadays, going through the exchange and into real money. That's the key. Do you want to get the latest news? Obviously, join their socials. Like I said, give a shout out, tell me from this channel, and you can go through here. So we've got the modes. There's 6 game modes, 4 teamwork models, and 2 solo models. We've got the rewards. So please try and get yourself some tokens. Build together, obviously using that community spirit, and the NFT shop. Each hero can be traded so you can make money being an NFT trader. They've got huge partners, as you can see here. One of the biggest ones that I like is the Crypto Nord. They're huge. News, you can just click on them, see what's going on, also on their socials, and it's published by Chain-X Game. I want to announce this right now, okay? So the Revoland IDO is on everstart.io. The links will be down below, as always. Okay, so this MOBA sports game is about the combination of personal skills like we just talked about. It's on the Everstart launchpad. That will be the token sale of 83,333 REVO. Okay, that's their native token. It starts at 18.06, 1500 UTC, which is the universal time code. Ends at 20.06, 300 UTC. You can click on here and get into the Telegram, have a real look, view in there. Again, when you get in there, there's going to be a lot of people getting hyped up, so make sure you get involved. Another announcement I want to show to you is that Huobi Global, they're going to list the Revo token on June the 20th. That's massive. So this token is being, again, Revo token is their native token. As it says here, it is scheduled for June 20th. Deposit will open at 1500, as I've said before. The spot trading, so Revo against the USDT, which is my favorite ever crypto. It will open when the deposit volume meets the demand of the market trading, how most of them work. Okay, the withdrawals will open at 1100 UTC on June the 21st, so straight away. And please only use trusted links. They will be down below, but this is the contract address. I recommend do not type this out because you might get it wrong. Please just use the links below, get to this page and copy and paste it. Really, really simple. Again, it takes you to all their socials. Let them know you're from this channel. This is going to be a huge video of announcements. So again, we've got Revoland and Alameda Research. So they're happy to introduce their new market partner. This is going to be huge. If you know who they are, you know why it's going to be huge. If not, you want to go down and click this link and research them yourself. They are massive, okay? This relationship is going to make this big long-term vision absolutely solid. Another one is the BitGet IDO announcement. This is massive and it's on June the 10th. If you're watching this late, it's already happened. If not, you got in super early like me, let me know in the comments below. And again, only use trusted links. But this is going to be huge. It's going to be 2 AMA sessions. You can ask whatever you want on there, so get comfortable. And if you want to ask something, just ask it. There's nothing wrong. No question is a stupid question. The internal IDO announcement is probably my favorite, okay? The big day is here. It's on June the 15th, 9 a.m., the universal time. And where is it? It's BSC and ABAY. The token price is going to be 0.6 USDT. Allocation is 200 Revel per account. Get 200 Revel per account. That's amazing. I'm going to grab myself some. Let me know if you got some as well. And the total amount is 120,000 USDT, which is the BSC chain, 120,000 USD on the ABEY chain. And if you want to, guys, if you want to get registered, look at this here right now. You can find out more on the BitGet and register for the IDO. It's going to be incredible. Getting all these Telegram chats, please let them know you're from this channel. If you've got a Mac, you can download it from Mac right there like I have. Get involved. Let them know I'm super excited about this project. So there you have it, guys. That is the game. I'm super excited. Please get in all them Telegram chats. You don't want to miss out on this, okay? This is going to be a very good game for building communities and playing together. If you've been watching our channel for a long time, you're subscribed, like everything like that, you might get to play with me if you get involved, okay? Super excited. If you love this, hit the like button. If you even loved it more, hit the subscribe button. If you want to get notified, hit the bell. And until the next video, I've had a blessed time. I'll see you again.